I thought doing cardio was the only way to get fit, but I was wrong. I remember spending hours on the treadmill, drenched in sweat, thinking I was doing everything right. But at the end of the week, I felt exhausted, burned out, and not much stronger. Here's the thing, focusing solely on cardio can lead you to frustration. I learned the hard way that just 2 days a week of strength training can build muscle and actually boost your metabolism. Imagine that. Just 2 sessions of lifting weights can make a huge difference. Now, let's talk about something else I messed up on: form. I used to crank out squats and push-ups without a second thought, but I ended up injuring myself more than once. Learning the right way to do these basic movements is crucial if you want to avoid setbacks. Trust me, it's better to do fewer reps correctly than a ton of them wrong. And here's another mistake I made: skipping rest days. I thought more was better, but my muscles needed time to recover. Aim for at least 1 to 2 rest days each week. It's not lazy, it's smart. Your body will thank you and you'll come back stronger. So if you're just starting out, focus on strength training twice a week, pay attention to your form, and don't be afraid to rest.